Meaning of hurl.
hurl,
Hurl.
hurl,
Hurl. The word hurl has multiple meanings, but the most common definition is to throw something with force and violence. It implies an aggressive and uncontrolled action, usually done in anger or frustration. When someone hurls an object, it can cause damage and harm to people or property. The result of hurling can be destructive, chaotic, and dangerous. It can also lead to consequences like legal charges or physical injury. Overall, hurl represents a negative and potentially harmful action that should be avoided in most situations.